Hello YouTube, welcome back to a little mini series on some snowblowers and stuff I'm messing with. This is a old Craftsman Sears branded Tecumseh powered, I believe, snowblower, 5 horsepower. And I recently, actually just now, put a new master link on the chain because it snapped. So now the transmission and everything works. And this is the gear selector fork thing. This is connected with this L bracket up to a rod that goes up to the shifter right there for forward, neutral, and reverse. And it was getting forward engagement, but it wasn't getting reverse engagement. It was about a 1/4 inch away from that peg right there. But it would engage and drive just fine. So I just unthreaded these bolts, threaded the top one down to pull the rod in a little more so it had a little more action. And let's fire it up and see if it goes into the proper gear. Now you might not be able to hear me, but it's going forward. It works. And reverse might be kind of hard to show. You gotta kind of two-handed here, but let me put you down. It works.